Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Today's project, I'm gonna do a quick inspection on my RV's water tank. Hang tight, I'll show you how. For this Jayco, the water heater tank is in the rear, underneath this convertible couch. Isolate your water tank by turning the valve clockwise, and also the one below. There you go. Clockwise. That's off position. Alright, let's go outside, drain it. I just completed isolating my water tank and just want to show you the tools I'll be using for this inspection. I got Endoscope or Borescope, and you need 15/16 wrench or a socket. Either or will work. Open it up. Remove your medicated cat collar, flea medication. By the way, fun fact, this actually prevents any bugs from coming in. So, good stuff. Open the valve, just like that. Leave it open. Socket or wrench. Let's go with socket. Just a little bit more, and then we'll insert this endoscope or borescope. That was really cool. Not a lot of sediment in there, a little bit of calcification or calcium deposit, but didn't see a lot of sediments either, but pretty cool to see. It's been a year and 3 months, so that was it. Next step, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, rinse it up, and then from there I'll go ahead and install the electric converter. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm going to seal this up and go from there. Thank you so much.